The sun is shining bright. We're rolling down the hills, hearts feeling light. From Shillong to Shella, we ride the open way. Mountains wave us off, the clouds start to play. Laughter in the air, the road hums a tune. Friends in the backseat, we'll reach there soon. Wind in our hair, smiles that never fade. Every mile a memory we made. Picnic from Shillong to Shella. Oh, what a view. Cooking by the riverside, sky so blue. Dancing near the bridge, waves calling too. We're swimming in joy, me and you. In Shella we cook, the fire burns slow. Fish and rice, stories start to flow. The beach is golden, the river so wide. Dreams drift easy on the tide. Picnic from Shillong to Shella. Oh, what a day. Laughter and sunlight leading our way. By the bridge we sing and sway. Forever in our hearts we'll stay. The river whispers songs of peace. Under the bridge time seems to cease. The stars begin their evening glow, and love's the only thing we know. Picnic from Shillong